How rock solid is your Wi-Fi AP? Check out the MTBF of your Wi-Fi AP. MTBF. Mean time between failures. Minimize trouble. Boost future. 1,221,721 hours for EAP 111. 4,070,860 hours for EAP 104 and EAP 104 Lite. 1,890,877 hours for OAP 101. 547,381 hours for EAP 101. Discover the secret behind Edgecore Wi-Fi's unmatched reliability. Using premium components for long-lasting performance. State-of-the-art manufacturing ensures top standards. Rigorous testing for superior reliability. Redefine reliability. Superior MTBF. Redefine reliability with superior MTBF. Define reliability with Edgecore Wi-Fi. Edgecore Wi-Fi.